In this video I'm going to show you how to reset your HP Color LaserJet Pro printer to a factory default setting. Scroll ahead and look for the setup. Go to the services. Scroll down until you see the last option, restore defaults. Now this will reset everything. It will reset the admin password. It will reset the Wi-Fi network setting. So press OK. The printer will restart. You just have to wait for that. Print is reset to the default settings. Thanks for watching.